Hello everyone. So this particular video that you are going to watch is based on the Amazon Eventbridge scheduler service. So what I generally do in my videos is that I read the article and then I speak it up, and then you have to listen and then you understand the topics very well. So that's the methodology that I generally use. So first of all, what is this is scheduler? It is a serverless scheduler that allows you to create and manage tasks from one central managed service. So if you want to create or run or trigger a service, basically any AWS service from a particular using a particular inputs or parameters at a particular time, or using this scheduler feature, you can generally trigger that particular action or the execution of that service. So what I will read next is key features of Eventbridge scheduler that I am currently reading. It says that first is the templated targets. So you have multiple different kind of AWS services for which the targets are already defined. So you just select your service that you want to trigger or schedule a job for, and then you will have the different configuration according to that service. So you have particular templates that you can select and configure. This is a good thing to have. Next you have is a universal targets that every target can be selected from a particular place, so you don't have to do a lot of configurations, and it is easy to implement this. The next thing is like flexible time windows. So when you are going to schedule a job, then you get a lot of different options of how you want to particularly, or at what different time structure you want to trigger a job. It takes into account the different time zones as well, and the different features like on an hourly basis, daily basis, minutes, and and also the start date or the end date, or you want the end date or not, and how you want the retries. Like if a particular job fails, then what should happen on the retry scenario. That is also taken into consideration in this. So the next thing is I am reading for you is getting started. It is very simple to have. Maybe I will create a video on how to actually create events with schedule for different services, but for now I don't have the resources to record that video, but that is what it is all about. Even if when your interviewer asks what is the event with scheduler, then you can watch this video and you can explain the same things, like how it happens or how it works, right?